Hello everyone, Dr. John Owings here from the Kilted Chiropractor. Take the time to subscribe to my channel and like my videos. In the month of October, we're having fun. We're giving away, I'll do it right, a free t-shirt. So here's what we're looking for, your comments. Tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like. We're going to take one comment, choosing from each video, and send that person a t-shirt. So claim your prize, claim your shirt, tell us what you like, and we'll see you in the channel.
Hi, my name is Patty. I came in today to see Dr. John. Before I came in, I was feeling tightness in my neck and my upper back from doing a really rough workout yesterday, in addition to doing some heavy-duty landscaping. Dr. John adjusted my tight neck, and upper back, lower back, a lot of my shoulder joints, and I feel incredibly amazing, ready to go and take on my day.
Hello, Dr. John here with the Kilted Chiropractor. Today we're working on Patty, who's been here for 4 or 5 years, working on everything from neck pain, low back pain, to nutrition. What did you first come in for?
I first came in because a friend of mine recommended you, and I've always been interested in nutritional health and physical health.
Okay.
So I just kind of wanted to take it to the next level.
Excellent. And what's happened for you taking it to the next level with chiropractic nutrition?
I feel like you have just really sustained my energy as I've gotten older.
Mm-hmm.
It's allowed me to sustain my weight and keep my energy and remain strong during my physical activity.
Sure. So let's talk about that. If you want to talk about it, you just said you had a birthday. You want to tell everybody how old you are? No.
Yeah, I just had my 61st birthday.
So you're 61.
Yes.
You've been here about 5 years.
Mm-hmm.
I know you're doing some boot camp.
I do Fit Body Boot Camp, which
Boot
is
Camp.
sort of an interval training.
Okay. How many is that? Once a week? Couple times?
I try not to overdo it because of my age, so I stick to about 3 times a week.
Jeez. Okay, so 3 times a week,
Mm-hmm.
half-hour workouts.
Mm-hmm. Half-hour workouts.
3 times a week, half-hour workouts. You're 61. You seem to be doing fine. So that's good. That's what nutrition and exercise and good health care is all about.
Exactly.
And how often do you get sick?
How often do I get sick? I have to think about it.
None.
I have to really think about it. Maybe a little cold once a year.
What a goal to have, right? A body that sustains itself and stays strong and healthy, which is what chiropractic principles are founded on. Good nutrition, good exercise, good sleep, rest, play hard, live softly, take care of the body.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
And be able to do the things we enjoy, pain-free, drug-free, disability-free.
Absolutely.
Not always pain-free, like today. I know we've got some neck and shoulder stuff we're working on today.
Absolutely. I had a rough workout yesterday. So.
All right. Anything get pulled or just feel the tightness?
Just feel tightness.
Okay. How's the lower back feeling?
Lower back is doing okay right now.
Okay. So just mostly upper neck and back?
Mostly upper.
Okay.
Upper neck.
So let's just focus on that then, and then we'll clear what's going on there and see where it takes us.
All right. Sounds
All right,
good.
let's switch. All right, so you worked out. What kind of workout did you do on the CrossFit?
Yesterday I did a lot of jumping jacks.
Okay.
And for the cardio end of it, and I did burpees.
Yeah, I hate those.
I hate them. And
They're good for you though.
yes, those were that was the main thing that I did.
All right, so you're feeling, when you say the tension, where are you feeling it right now?
I feel it. It starts up behind my ears.
Up in, and
And
just goes
goes
down. Did you do any trap work? Upper trapezius up in here? Any lifting in the upper body?
Yes, the burpees I did. I had
Okay.
to take a bar and then come back up like this with it,
Okay.
and back down and then burpee.
Okay. Looks like you've got some upper trap and a little bit of levator scapulae, this muscle right in here. Is that tender to touch?
Yeah, it's very tender. Oh yeah, right there.
How about on the right side?
Oh yeah, there
Okay.
as well.
Palpating. Oh, what do we got here? So right away, turn head this side. Turn head this side. I feel some restricted motion on the right here. How about, does that cause any discomfort?
Uh-huh.
Where do you feel that?
Like kind of right where your
Yeah,
finger
that's
was.
All right. I'm gonna check a muscle, a nerve group here. Bring this arm up. Hold it right there for me. I'm gonna push down. Don't let me. Hold really strong. That's pretty weak there. Hold tight for me here. Pretty weak in there too. All right. No headaches, all right?
No headache.
You definitely got some knots up here from working out. So I'm gonna do some muscle work there. I think I'm also gonna do some muscle work here. So let me do some simple work here. I'm gonna get some water base. So I'm gonna have you tuck your chin and chest. And I'm gonna loosen this up right through here. I'm gonna start clearing this out of here. And you said right up into this area.
Exactly.
All right. We'll get that all out of there and get this loosened up here for you.
Oh, yeah. It feels awesome so far.
This feels really good.
Oh, no, we're open on Mondays. The only Monday that will be closed would be like.
I'm gonna tuck your chin just a little. I'm gonna get right up here. And I'm trying not to pull in those small hairs there. You okay there?
Mm-hmm. Don't worry about it. Not at all.
Monday and Wednesday are
There we go.
open from 9 to noon, and then we close until 3, and then 3 to 6.
Now you own a hotel. What do you call it?
We have a small inn and restaurant
Yeah.
on a little inland lake here in Michigan.
Nice.
Requires a lot of busyness, a little bit of stress on the side.
I think it's a lot of stress on the side. I've seen pictures of that inn. It's pretty cool. What's the name of it again?
It's Bay Point Inn.
Bay Point Inn
On Gun Lake.
on Gun Lake.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. This is a busy time of year with weddings for us right now.
Yeah, it's a very pretty place that you have.
Oh, thank you.
And you've had it for how many years?
Gosh, let me think. Almost 20 years.
And you built it from You built it from ground up, right?
Built it from ground up without a lick of experience. So no stress involved in that.
No stress in the first years as you develop that company.
No. That's why my husband and I both need your constant attention.
Oh yeah. Well, when you own a resort inn like place, and because you do a lot of wedding venues, you have a restaurant on there.
We do. We do 100 weddings a season. This year with COVID-19, that has had an effect on us. But
A little bit, but you still have some things.
we
going on.
do. We do.
That's
Very
good.
fortunate.
I'm just gonna massage here real quick. Well, I think everybody will be okay. We'll get through all this fine, and next year you'll have 200 plus weddings a year.
I think so too.
You'd have to build a bigger place though to accommodate that many weddings.
we swore there would be no more expansion, but I don't know.
I've said that a few
Sounds like-
times too with my company.
Yeah, and then all of a sudden the idea starts spinning
Mm-hmm.
in your head.
Well, the thing happens is that as you get better at what you do, people see it. You know, and you have good service, you have a nice inn, it's a good quality place, you host good stuff, and the word gets out.
Yeah.
So you can't keep yourself small because when you care about the work you do, people see it.
That's right. People do like change.
That's I see the same thing in my clinic.
Yeah.
I continuing it, never stops.
That's right.
And as a result, you get better and better at what you do. And
Right.
You can't contain it.
Right.
Like adding a YouTube channel.
Adding a YouTube channel. That's my video guy talking. It's good.
It is. I'm excited to see it.
Oh, you'll see yourself. I think it's about 2 weeks.
Something like that.
About 2 weeks. We'll get it out there for you. Just have to make sure you like our YouTube channel now.
I'm going to. As soon as I
On your back
get
for
back
me.
at it. Hopefully it'll be downloaded by the time we're done.
Oh, it'll be good. So let that relax. I can feel the tension in your neck.
Oh, I get a little nervous when I know I'm going to be cracked.
Nah, you've been doing this for 5 years.
I know.
You're always the same though. I'm nervous. We adjust. You're like, that's the best I've ever felt.
Afterwards, always.
Let's see what we can get here.
Oh my goodness. I do work on my relaxation techniques while I'm here.
You're doing good.
Holy moly. How can one mess up their neck so much?
You work hard. You carry a lot of stress. Even when you don't think about it, it's still on your mind.
Okay.
There we go.
You kill me, Doc John. Oh.
You are really tight. There we go. Let's breathe through it. So we have a lot of restriction right here. Feel that? I don't know if you can feel that, but
I can.
there's no movement there. So we're going to traction this out a little bit. I think it's one of your favorite adjustments, right?
Oh yeah.
Head up. All the way down.
Oh.
We've been doing this for 5 years.
Should I just give up working out and
No.
keep my neck?
The more you work out, in moderation, the stronger your body will get. And
Right.
you actually age a little slower. As long as you're feeding well, we've had these talks for a lot of years. You got to take care of that body. Good food, good exercise.
That's right. I had my vegetable stir fry this morning
Excellent.
with my grass-fed ghee.
There you go. Take a deep breath for me. All the way up. There we go.
I think that's good.
You think that's good?
But you can be the judge of that.
I'm just going to clear out the middle back nice and easy. Let all the air out. Oh.
Oh man. Oh.
Did good.
Is that dramatic enough?
Face on the side. You all the way down and do a little over backward. Your chest is really good.
You
though.
would think after 5 years I would know all the positions, but
Everybody
I
forgets.
can never remember.
You're.
My mind is on just relaxing.
You did a good job. You do the lower back here.
You have to just put me where you want me.
Air all the way out here. There we go. Nice and easy. You're already moving. There. Let's switch to the other side.
Okay.
Let me hit this over here. There we go. I'm gonna have you sit up and face the glutes on the a lot of stuff.
Want my
going
hair
on.
up?
There you go.
Okay.
I'm gonna bring this one up. Hold that arm right there.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's put a little stress in that though. So I'm gonna look down towards the floor. Hold tight for me. I can still get it down when we stretch that cord. So let's do some other adjusting. I'm gonna do instrumentation work on it now.
Okay.
We'll go a little easier on you. I don't like how stiff that neck is, so we're gonna get that hair up there a little bit. I'm gonna get right in there. I'm gonna roll that head back and forth.
Should I be icing in between my workouts? Okay.
Nah.
That won't make a difference.
Okay, now let that arm drop. Look down towards the floor with your hair up, your head, look down. And rotate it this way. And we're going to rotate it the other way and look down. And back, and tilt it back. One more. Not bad. All right. Okay, now that's turning a little bit better there. Over here. Okay, bring this up. Okay. I don't know if you could feel that glide in that shoulder was a little easier.
Yes, I did notice that.
Yeah, hold tight for me. Now look down towards the floor, hold tight. There we go. That's a lot better. Let's make sure this one's good too. Hold tight for me. That's really good. Back to neutral. I'm gonna jump down to tricep reflex. So bend the elbow, Bring it to center. You're gonna extend out that way. So push against my hand. Look at you. Nice and strong.
Right.
I like that. Push up again, hold. Good. I'm gonna swing around. I want to check some of your grip strength in your hands because you're lifting weights and doing stuff. So I want to make sure I have good power. So roll in and lock into my fingers. Hold really strong. Nice and strong there. Hold tight for me here. Perfect. I'm gonna do a couple more checks. So now I'm gonna have you go flat on your back for me.
Okay.
Hold and check one more muscle group here. Then you hold right there for me. I'm gonna push down. That's one strong. Bring this one up. Hold tight for me. One more time. Hold tight for me. That feels a little weak there.
Yeah, I felt that.
I'm gonna go ahead and release middle ribs here out a little bit. Hand goes by your here, over there. I'm gonna get my finger into your armpit here. Let it roll back to center. We'll bring us in. There you go. I'm gonna lift you up a little bit. Roll the air out. There it went. Feel that little click?
Yes.
Hold tight for me. I'm gonna go hard.
Wow.
Better?
Better.
All right, let's fine tune the lower back, make sure there's nothing hiding out. I'm gonna pull here, hold tight. Don't let me bring it back to center, hold. I got one more thing to fix. Push right there for me. Let me have this leg. Deep breath in, lift the air all the way out, let that leg relax.
Oh gosh.
You should feel that.
Thanks, Doc.
Hold tight. That one's strong. Now we're going to do the other side. Hold tight. That one's strong. Both knees up. Squeeze the knees really tight. Hold tight. Nice.
Yes.
Let the legs open. Hold tight. Let it relax. Let this leg down.
Oh.
Bring it here. I'm going to push right here. One more time. That's actually pretty weak there. Set it down. Hold tight for me here. That's pretty strong there. So, where's your belly button? Right about there?
Right there.
Okay, I'm gonna push on this side and compare it to this side. Both the same?
Uh-huh.
Or is that a little tender right there?
It's a little tender there.
Let me push right there for me. Alright, take a deep breath. Let the air all the way out. Exhale, let that leg relax. That moved. Let's check it. Hold tight. Better?
Better.
Good. Toes towards the head. Hold tight. Nice and strong. Toes to head. Tight. Nice and strong. I always like to clean the toes a little bit.
Don't blame you.
Here we go. Let it relax.
Oh, golly. Oh.
Good. Good.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh boy.
Oh.
Let it relax. We're always enjoying it.
Oh.
There you go. Let it relax. Good deal.
Okay. I should be in good shape now.
I think so. All the way up. I'm going to check your wrists and fingers here. Hands. Just make sure those are, let that whole thing relax. You're doing good.
Okay.
Got him. You okay there?
I feel good.
You feel good? She sings it too.
I knew that I would now.
You need to go
So
play. So good.
Good.
Oh, you're real funny. All right, anything else? I know I can see the shoulder and neck. I mean, it's tight. You're working
I
out.
might have forgotten about those 3 loads of landscaping that I took to the dump yesterday.
That'll probably do it
completely
too.
forgot about that as you were correcting me.
Okay.
Huge trailer full of landscaping that we took to the dump. Big tree branches.
Wow, so
I
you
did
did a
that
lot.
after I worked out.
That's probably got the muscles all fired up. All right, well, you know where to find me. You know, you're usually about once a month anyway. You work so darn hard, so go play, have fun.
Thank you, Dr.
We'll do
John.
some more work.
I highly recommend Dr. John Owings for your physical needs.